guys, Joey here of Yugatech, and yes, you've read the title, you know what it is. We're doing our picks for laptops under 30,000 pesos. But first, let's get something straight. Don't misunderstand me for a second. Don't get me wrong. Yes, you might not have the budget for like 40, 50, 60,000 pesos and above, but that means if you go down to the sub 30k price range, you also have to lower your expectations. Expect Intel Core i3 processors, 4GB of RAM, probably 1TB 5400 RPM hard drive, and definitely lower spec graphics cards like the Nvidia MX130, MX150, you know, those guys. But hey, maybe you're not even into playing super graphic intensive AAA titles in the first place. Maybe you're more into lighter competitive games like Dota 2, League of Legends, CSGO, even Fortnite. Although do remember with those lighter games, you're still gonna have to lower your graphics settings down to low, or maybe you could squeak by with medium. Also, another reason to check this price range out is you want a good laptop for productivity and also doing some light gaming on the side. Well, listen up. So first on this list is the Asus VivoBook X407UF. So it has a 14-inch screen, only has an HD resolution, which means 1366 by 768, but again, that's the nature of this price range. But you get an Intel Core i3 8130U processor, Nvidia GeForce MX130 graphics, 2GB VRAM, 4GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1TB hard drive. We found it for 29,750 pesos over at Lazada. Next up is the Acer E5-476G-30J2. So again, almost the same. You get a 14-inch screen with HD resolution, 1366 by 768, Intel Core i3 7130U, so 7th generation, also MX130, 2GB of VRAM, 4GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1TB hard drive. We found it for 27,398 pesos over at Lazada. Again, for all these items, we're going to be leaving the links down in the description below. Next up, from Acer again, it's the Aspire E5-476G-30J2. Damn, these model names are confusing. So we get a 14-inch HD resolution again, Intel Core i3 7100U, Nvidia GeForce MX150, so a little bit better on the graphics side. Again, 4GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB hard drive. We found it for 29,139 pesos over at Lazada. Now this is going to be a very short list because we're down to the last item, which is actually my personal suggestion if you want to get a laptop for under 30,000 pesos. It's gonna be the Lenovo Ideapad 330/15 IKB. So it's got a 15.6-inch HD LED display, so the biggest display among all the items on this list. It's got an Intel Core i3 8130U processor, slightly higher clock speeds than the 7th generation version, MX150, 4GB of DDR4 RAM, but it does come with a bigger 2TB hard drive out of the box. So this one is cutting it really close to our maximum budget. It's priced at 29,990 pesos over at Asianic. Check the link out in the description below. Okay, so to recap, for this price range, what you generally want to get, what you're gonna find is laptops with an i3 processor, 4GB of RAM, generally an MX150 or MX130. So with these, you can expect them to be enough for light gaming at medium or low settings, but maybe if you upgrade your RAM and swap out your slow HDD for an SSD down the line, you might also be able to get away with some creative work. The latest AAA titles will surely struggle to run, but if you want to run something from maybe 2017, 2016 and older, they should run fine as long as you stick to your medium to low settings. So I really hope some of you guys out there found this video helpful, and if it did, please let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.